Turning now to our coronavirus coverage, we do want to take a closer look at the latest COVID numbers statewide. More than 108,000 new cases were reported Wednesday. Test positivity rate has ticked up 23%. That means nearly 1 in 4 tests are coming back positive. This doesn't include at-home test results that people are also obviously using. Nearly 13,000 people are hospitalized with COVID statewide. That increased by 600 in one day. It's important to note Los Angeles County and various counties in the Bay Area, they say many patients are coming into the hospital for other reasons and were subsequently diagnosed with COVID during routine testing. COVID cases also surging in Sacramento County jails. There are currently 76 cases at the main jail. That's tripled over the past week. At the Cosumnes Correctional Center south of Elk Grove, there are 48 cases. Last week, there were 0. To help manage the outbreak, Sacramento County Sheriff's Office announced the early release of some county sentenced inmates through an emergency order. Total of 203 inmates will be released 90 days early. That includes 74 from the main jail and 129 from RCCC. Major factors behind the decision are state prisons are not taking transfers right now, and the courts are backlogged.
We've got 400 people more than we would normally have. If those 400 people were in the care of the facility where they should be, we would not have to do any releases.
The Sheriff's Office adds inmates that will not be released early include those with domestic violence charges, DUI offenses, violent felony charges, and sex offenders. Here's a look now at the vaccination progress in the state. 72% of eligible Californians are fully vaccinated. That accounts for roughly 27 million people. Another 3.2 million are partially vaccinated. 11.3 have received their booster. The state is also giving out right now an average of around 182,000 doses per day. If you want to get your COVID shot today, there are several vaccination clinics scheduled across Sacramento County. Some of the locations are City Church of Sacramento, St. Paul's Baptist Church, Blessed Faith Ministries, Walnut Grove Elementary, and Cerna Center. The times are there on your screen. Walk-ins are welcome, but you can register online. To our coronavirus coverage as we continue now, Supreme Court has halted the vaccine and testing mandates for more than 80 million workers in large companies. However, it allowed vaccine mandates for most healthcare workers. KCRA 3's Christopher Salas joins us live in Washington this morning with more on reaction to the rulings. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Teo. Yeah, when it comes to that mandate for large companies, business groups and a coalition of Republican-led states are praising that ruling. Meanwhile, the president said he was disappointed in the decision.
A blow to the federal government's vaccination efforts. The Supreme Court blocking the emergency rule requiring employees at companies with 100 or more workers to be fully vaccinated or tested weekly.
As a doctor and a public health professional, today's news was disappointing.
The court's conservative majority wrote the mandate went too far and was, quote, no everyday exercise of federal power, adding while OSHA has the power to regulate occupational dangers, Congress has not given the agency the power to regulate public health more broadly. The 3 liberal justices wrote in the dissent, the court's ruling stymies the federal government's ability to counter the unparalleled threat that COVID-19 poses to our nation's workers. In a separate decision, the High Court okayed a vaccine mandate on more than 10 million healthcare workers, saying the Department of Health and Human Services has the authority OSHA lacks.
CMS's requirement for healthcare workers to be vaccinated will save the lives of patients, as well as the lives of doctors, nurses, and others who work in healthcare settings.
And the president said despite the ruling, the White House will continue to encourage businesses to implement their own vaccine mandates. Teo.
Christopher, could you talk a little bit more about why the court upheld the mandate for healthcare workers specifically?
Yeah, Teo, so this was a narrower decision. It was 5-4, and it really comes down to Justices Brett Kavanaugh and John Roberts, the Chief Justice, joining their liberal colleagues. And in the unsigned majority opinion by the court, the 5 justices said the Department of Health and Human Services and the Center for Medicaid and Medicare Services had the authority to act and implement this mandate. And they even went as far to say, quote, it was a straightforward example of health and safety regulations that Congress has authorized these agencies to implement.
All right. Thank you, Christopher. We'll check back with you a little later.